Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to FOMC day. More than anything else. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Hope you are well in profit because that oil trade, oh damn, that went like a rocket ship. So some profits there we can celebrate sometimes. Oi. Harold is first today. Welcome very much, Harold. You get ready to rumble. If you are like, if you have plenty of winning trades all the time and you only need to get funded, please consider today's sponsor of this video, and if you also use the link below, you might get up to 30% on your first plan.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Yeah, there we go, I guess. And I'm just gonna double check the stream. It says like it's only for, is it only for members today? No, subscribers for some reason. Do apologize for that. I will change it soon. There we go. Son, for today, well, I have been invited to be live on Tradingview channel today, so I think I'll be live there. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you guys out of it. If you want to be on the YouTube stream today, that is where I'm gonna be. I think I'm gonna be alone as well, so it's still gonna be 100% me, anyways. A bit of laughter, a bit of crying, and a bit of confusion is always kind of the normal mix there. We are currently, what is it? Not enough buying power on Aussie yen today though, but could be great. Euro is still an active trade, and Aussie yen is still an active trade. No, not an active trade. New Zealand yen is still not where I want it to be. Pound yen hasn't done what I wanted to do. But oh my lordies, God have mercy. Oil, my friends, that has been a good one, eh? That's been a good one for everyone here. So, other than that, who is subscribing today? Who subscribed? Peter Kuwarski. Welcome very much, bro. Well, welcome very much. So all those other 13 people who's here, 15 people right now, are you guys alive? I think like the chat is a bit slow today. Come on, go on, mate. My phone ringing. False alarm. That's all. Thank you very much. Hello Tarek, hello Manny, hello everyone. So we can go through the markets now. I will continue now. Fair enough. So, where are we? Dollar. The unprecedented dollar bullishness still continues. If you're thinking about having a fantastic day on the markets, hopefully you are, I am still looking to buy it, and I also do believe that we're going to have some bullishness today, that we are going to still continue up. But the other problem with that is it going to be short-term volatility down before we go up? So I do not know if that is what is the case or what's not the case. Just have that in in consideration. The other one is S&P 500 is still not above 4,300 or 4,262, which is my line in the sand. So this is still a bearish mover more than anything else at the moment. So nothing there that really excites me or anything like that. So that is still the technical outlook. I want, of course, it to be above here, so I'm still just waiting. And for everyone who's like, Evan, you care, you only look to buy S&P. Well, that's that. I don't know who it was in the Discord channel today that said that. Who was it? I can't remember where it was. Even was it off topic? Maybe. Vinyak posted that one today. That's pretty funny. The Nasdaq 1971, 2022, and Jerome Powell has killed it. That's a funny meme, mate. That's a funny meme. So other than that, I think that is more than enough coverage for in the Nasdaq. That we are 4 hour, 1 hour. Everything else is bearish at the moment. Nothing new, nothing really sad, nothing really crazy. Only other than going lower. So fair enough. Pound dollar coming into pound dollar. Another pound, please. Thank you. Another pretty nice range here. Hasn't made a higher high yet, and is doing its thing. And so far so good. It has had a pretty steep fall from 129 to 125. And we have stopped around 120-125 now. Do I believe we still have some legs lower? Yes, I still think we have some legs lower. We can even go down to like 123 this week. So it all depends what Feds gives us today. 123 there, yeah. So it all depends on what Fed is going to give us. If it's going to be bullish, if it's going to be bearish, or what. The other one is, do you believe that pound dollar is going to go higher today? That is today's question. There we go. Oui. Hello, Marilyn. That's kind of that for me. I don't have any sells here. I think it's too low. I don't have any else things that would be mostly important, like fundamentally maybe, that has been requested for. There has been some news today, and I haven't seen anything that really sparks my my ignition plugs, but there has been unemployment from New Zealand that was on target. Participation rate is a bit lower than expected. Unemployment change is still the same as expected. Retail sales out of Europe is a bit worse than expected, but fair enough. Still OK plus. And then goods and services trade balance and ADP deployment change is 247,000. That's lower than expected. Let's say that also NFP comes out at lower than expected on Friday. That's also going to spark dollar bullishness today. Oh, Friday. Right now on dollar, on the 4 hour, we are seeing dollar falling. This is their last candle in the book. Is this bearish? What is this website's name? That is probably fxstreet.com you're talking about, Tarek. As far as I know. All right. 8 votes out of 26 has said, yes, I believe pound dollar is going to go higher. Okay, fair enough. What is SMC, Willem? What is SMC? New Zealand dollar has also just one of the other ones just taken a break and just paused, waiting for FOMC. If you today get a bearish trend, or sorry, a bullish New Zealand dollar, bearish dollar, I think it's just another sell point though. But yeah, that's my point. Smart money concept, a trading style. I honestly haven't heard about it, and I feel whatsoever. So maybe someone can educate me about it. Nothing else than that actually. YouTube says there's no data. Do not have internet now. Okay, there's a data back then. Yeah, so no, I don't have any concepts of that. But if anyone can tell me what it's about, that would be great. Euro yen plays. Fair enough. I have a trade open there at around 137. So that's around current price actually. So we haven't done anything ever since. I hope that yen is gonna. In my analysis, I believe yen is gonna weaken today. If the dollar strengthens. So I hope that it's gonna. So I believe it's gonna go higher. I also believe that. We'll also need a higher high before we start buying again. So right now I'm just waiting basically. Nothing else than that. That's an active trade open there, and you know, playing the long game more than anything else, to be honest. So that seems like everyone is back into. Did anyone buffer? Mundal from India, good to see you live. Yes, Mundal, happy to have you here, mate. Happy to have you here. So really, what's the thing about your yen, Calvin, is that I'm waiting for a higher high, I'm waiting for a pullback, and I'm waiting to buy it again, as I already have an entry at 137. I have a target, I think it's 141 is probably a target, and 134, 135 is probably target. No, stop loss somewhere. It's somewhere here anyways, mate. Eivindfx, just show you guys what I'm seeing. Yeah, so yeah, nobody can see that anyways. Save image. Unknown. Euro yen 4th May. Download. Upload. Watch. That didn't work at all. Open link then. Does that work? Yeah, so 134. Stop loss is there. Buy limit was there at 137. That is hit. And then target is 140. 140, actually. So, fair enough. There is it. So, anything else than that, I will just go through the market. Dollar is still not falling as much as I want. I want 102.60 before buying. Aussie dollar isn't as strong as I wanted to be. I wanted to be higher so I can sell it again. And so far it's just somewhere in between. I can see there's a weekly there, but I want monthly there. So still just another waiting game at 72.60 euro dollar. It's coming in with a small bullish candle right now. I hope 107 is going to be a price to sell again. So you need a deeper pullback before selling again. That is 107. Pound dollar. I need it at 127 at least to see if I can sell it again. New Zealand dollar, another one at 0.6646 to sell it again. That is me being fundamentally bullish on dollar, and everything else will fall because of dollar strength. Euro is not doing that well, but on the other side I am buying pound yen pairs, not pound in itself, but yen, selling yen in particular, and I haven't seen any development on pound yen lately. Aussie yen is now starting to come into some kind of bullish trend. If you were looking at today's bullish bias today, thank you, today, thank you, yeah, thank you. We didn't make, well, there is, you know, that thing there. So as long as we are above 92.50 on this one, I will consider to buy tomorrow as well. But it all depends on what is going to happen today on FOMC anyways. So that's the question there. What's going to happen there? And then if we survive FOMC pretty nicely, I will buy tomorrow. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for there. CAD yen, I don't have any buy entry on CAD yen because I wanted to go a bit lower. I would down to 100.33. I don't have that at the moment. I have a higher high. That is the daily buy there. I'm not gonna take it, but fair enough. Euro yen doesn't have a higher high, so I'm just waiting for it to do a higher high and then pull back. So stuff like that. USD yen is falling today. That means back down to 129 is kind of like what I would like to see happening. And then I would like it to do that, and then that. More than anything else. Alright? More than anything else. New Zealand yen, no higher highs. Can't be bothered. There's nothing to do, nothing to see, nothing to do. Sometimes you sound like Dracula from Hotel Trends. Sylvania, sorry. That's so cool. Yes, it is, mate. Hello, Ellen. Hi, Merlin. What do you think of these guys that trade for you, then give you profits after 7 days? Merlin. You know, I have done that. I haven't done it myself. I have been giving money to those people, and I lost everything. So if you can lose all those money, sure, you can probably give it to me before that. But that's a joke. But I wouldn't consider that. I think it's absolutely higher risk. And if it's going to give you like 50% in a week or whatever the percentage is, there's no guaranteed whatsoever in the market. And the question is, are they able to? Fair enough, but most likely they are not able to, and most likely they are just after your money, and then they run away, and then you can't get a touch from them again, unless you know them, unless you're your friends. Even friends can fool you. So highly skeptical. I would rather you spend your time and energy and money on your own energy, on your own knowledge, on your own things, because the more money you spend on other people, like money management, trade management, or whatever you call it, the less time you're spending on yourself developing your own. I would say develop yourself first. Are you able to? And I think it's a better idea to buy the stock market at some point, maybe not today. Buy the stock market generally, S&P, OBX, Nasdaq, whatever you call it, and just hold it until you want to take it out in a couple of years. 7 days is way too short for the market, but I have done it myself. I have lost money there, so that's my opinion. That's my experience. Maybe there's good people out there. I don't know. But I wouldn't do that. How long have you been trading, says Okoloji? Okoloji, I have traded for 8 years, mostly failing. So I failed myself to the finish line. That's what I do. More than anything else. Nobody asked for it, but we can do gold as well. I said that is the target for the week, and I said don't trade it anymore. And sure, that's a clear take profit. Nothing has happened ever since. Nat gas, is going back higher again. That hurts. Also, that hurts. That hurts so bad. Okay. Euro oil is still bullish, I guess, but nothing else there. Just that was our entry yesterday. Yesterday, somewhere around here, I guess. And then we have profit now. Put stop loss to break even, and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. Is there any other assets you want me to go through? Pound Aussie. Okay. Didn't sell off today, but fair enough. There is that one. There. Yeah. So just to let me go through what I'm actually in right now. I am currently in oil. Just check how many pips do I have. That's daily target, by the way, people. A couple of 275% in profit. That's pretty good, I would say. I am also buying of euro yen. That is definitely a break-even trade. I have an order on Aussie yen that hasn't been triggered yet. I have an order on pound yen, hasn't been triggered yet. So all in all, I guess a good day in the office. I'm waiting to sell dollars, but you know, no, buy dollars. Sorry, but we shall see. Yeah, I know, Sheldon. I know. That means since oil has hit take profit for today, you are allowed to take profit. I'm not gonna do it myself, but if you want to, yes, sure, come and take your profit. Don't come crying to me and say, Aiden, I didn't take profit. I went down to break even. Don't come for me for that. You have to make your own choices. One choice is to take profit now. And another choice is to take profit. Let's see what my profit target actually at. My target is 113. 113. Let's see what my take profit is. So yeah, that is my actual trade. I just did it for you. So that is my actual trade there. 263 in profit. That's my stop loss. Definitely gonna move it closer. Fair enough. And then that. So yeah. Still gonna wait for that though, but still. Time to think to sell oil for now. Okay. Fair enough. That's up to you. That's your choice. Nothing else. Euro CAD Tarek. What are you thinking, Tarek? Are you buying this one? Are you selling this one? What's your thoughts here? What's the reason for talking about EuroCAD? Because I am thinking we should have been up at 136.50 to sell. Hasn't done that yet. Has made a bit of a low. Come back to buying actually around 134.60. That what price there is a buy zone there. Okay, fair enough. Hazan says euro is going up. Why is that? The thing is, Mr. Hazan, is euro needs to go up to 107. So it has to go up at least 100 to 200 pips up before I would sell it. So retail traders have bought it. But the reason why euro dollar would go higher or dollar would fall is because people are taking profit on their dollar bullish move. And they are taking profit so they can sell euro at a better price more than anything else. So right now you're gonna see some bearishness on dollar. That's expected. That is what I want to see. And now it all depends on how much bearishness. So if you have sold euro where euro is euro right now, I would say that you have sold a bottom You have sold a range, and that's not a market that I would trade in. And the other thing for euro dollar here is that we haven't made a higher high, we haven't made a lower low, we haven't just been in a range, and I have said for the greater life of me that I want 107. I want that price. That's 200 pips up, 150 pips up. Sorry. So, can you buy this euro dollar? No, you can't. Should you have sold it down here? No, you shouldn't have. There's a reason why you can't see any trades on this chart here, particularly because there isn't a trade for me here. So I will just wait on it. Okay. Okay. So thank you very much, Manny. I am going to take that into consideration, and I will be like, fair enough. That's a success. We go to my Discord channel, and we go to success, and we put Manny there. Manny man. Fair enough. Yeah. So Hassan says, no, I actually sold it since last week, and I'm in negative, but I want to close it break even. Very helpful for the info. So I would say, Hassan, that is okay to put it at break even. That's okay. But I would also say to you that you need to be able to understand when does the market. You should actually not be in loss, by the way. But you need to understand when does the market need to have a retracement. So I'm gonna give you a couple of tips here. Okay. So first of all, we have target for the month here. We have target for the week here. Every pip below that means that we have the higher and higher chance to do some kind of pullback, because this is where it's supposed to be. This is where the area is supposed to be profit taking, and it didn't do it. Fair enough. That's up to the market. But the other thing is you need to also consider in that situation for this week is that this is the buy zone. This is the sell zone. So on the weekly basis, you shouldn't have sold it. That's another lesson. On a monthly basis, this is your sell zone. So your sell zone hasn't really been touched yet. So if you were selling on a daily time frame or like a scalping or something like that, if you scalped, I believe that should be enough reason to say, hold on, we're no longer aggressively bearish anymore. Okay, so once you see down, higher, oh damn, get out of here. Now the chances of this high being breached is of course different. It's of course a different case and different story. But I would like to talk to you, Hassan, from one person to another, that take this as a learning point, and you sold a bottom. That's what you did. Thank you very much. Your cat, please. I've asked about who. Okolye, I have already given you the answer. I have said 8 years. I've even typed 8 years. It even says 8 years up there. But okay. Okolye, 8 years. Thank you. Your cat, cunt. Can you tell me which direction you wanted to go in, or is it just generally? What's the reason for it, so I can... Yeah, that's okay, Hassan. That's okay. I'm not angry at you. I'm not saying you're a bad trader. I'm not saying anything bad against you or anything like that. I'm just saying, learn from it. That's all. Please learn from it. Just double checking all my orders. Everything is still good to go. Everything is still where it's supposed to be. All right. Go down, you think? Okay. So you look at your account because you gave me a direction to look at. Okay. So if I was to sell it, Mike, I would sell it at 136.50, give or take, like up here in this area. Why? Because I need bigger pullback so I can sell it at a better price. Okay. The other one is if I sell now, I'm selling in a buy zone. Okay. So this is the sell price. This is the sell price. So we're not really there. And I would rather do 136.50 than 135.50. But both seems to be okay. But I wouldn't sell it right now. No. Okay. I'm going to target 132. So somebody asked for gold, and I will do gold as the last thing today. Then we can take a break. When am I going to be live today? I'm actually not too sure. We haven't actually gone through it. Actually, to be honest, here we go. That's a beautiful face over there. So I'm going to be live here on Tradingview today, as far as I know, and they haven't put that up yet. So I believe you need to be in my Discord today. If you are in Discord today, if you are in this Discord, I'm gonna add everyone. Or if you are in my, what do you call it? If you are in my, if you will be in what? If you're on my Telegram, then you will be notified. And I also believe if you are in A1 Trading, and yeah, so I'll also put it on my wall, on my community wall, and I'll also be on Twitter. I think also we'll put that link on Twitter. So it should be able to, if you are also subscribed to this channel, would probably also help out quite tremendously to get the notifications. I'm not going to take away from that, but that's where I'm going to be live today. I don't know how long it's going to be. It's going to be as long as it's interesting, as long as there's still content. There is going to be the statement. I'm going to go through the statement. We're going to listen to the press conference. We're going to listen to the questions and answers. We are probably going to do some Q&As. And before all that, I need to make a whole ton of research. So I come with power, you know. What is your Telegram link? Think it's somewhere here. Wee all days. Look at these. Wee. That's all the members right now. Fair enough. Invite link, copy link, and there you go. Will I be at FOMC? I will be there. I will be there. Thank you very much. So, other than that, people, have a fantastic day. 63 people think that pound dollar is going to go higher today. All right. Okay, let's see. Retail traders are normally wrong, so that's that. Have a good day. I'll see you probably like 30 minutes before the meeting. That is around, for me, that's around 20:30. That is in around, is it 4 hours and 30 minutes? Something like that? Yeah. So anyways, subscribe to the channel and you will get notified.